Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is the detailed tutorial for this watch, Casio GMD-S5600. If you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first we need to be in the timekeeping mode, and to do that just press the mode button several times until you hear the high pitch beeping sound. That one, okay. And then next, you can turn on the light by pressing the light button on the bottom right, this one. Okay, and then the next one, you can activate the flash alert by press and hold the start stop button on the top right for about 6 seconds, and this flash alert symbol or sign will be active. Okay, next you can do the LCD check by pressing 3 buttons at the same time: start, stop, adjust, and mode. And the trick is to press the start stop button a bit earlier, the top right button, this one. Okay, so you might want to hold the watch in this position and then press this one a bit earlier, and then the other 2 buttons, adjust and mode, after that. Sorry, a bit tricky. Okay, that one. And here's the LCD check screen. You can see all the segment here. And to move to the next LCD check screen, you can press the start stop button on the top right. Okay, this is the code, like a firmware code. And then next, LCD check screen, and then return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, next we will set the time, but anyway, if you have already watched our previous video about the basic setting, you can just skip this one and move to the next chapter about setting of the alarm. Okay, now if you want to set the time, just press the adjust button on the top left, this one, okay, and you will see that the second is flashing. And to adjust the second, you can press this one, the start stop button on the top right. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. So let's wait, 7, 8, 9, okay, 30. If you press this button, it becomes 0 with additional minute. But if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute, like this one. Okay, next, press the mode button, and we are moving to the hour. You can press the start stop button to increase the number, like this, okay? And yeah, let me set as, okay, maybe something like 17. So I can show you how to set the time format. Anyway, you can also adjust the time format in any of the time settings. So right now you can just press the light button and it will change to the 12-hour format. Okay, next, press the mode button and we are moving to this one, the minute. And you can press the start stop button to increase the number. Okay, and then again press the mode button. Now is the year. You can press this one, the start stop button again, to increase the number. And if it is already passing the number that you want, for example it is 47 but the year is 2025, oh sorry, 2024, you can just keep pressing until 2099. Okay, it will return to 2000. Okay, 2000, and now just set to the number that you want. So let me set as 2024. Okay, and then next press again the mode button, and this is the month. You can use the start stop button to increase the number, like this. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the date. You can use the start stop button to increase the number. Okay, press again, and now is the second again. And if you're done with the setting, you can just press the adjust button. And anyway, if you want to change the time format, of course you can just press the light button. And yeah, 24-hour or 12-hour format. Okay, press the adjust button and exit from the setting of the time and calendar. Next, we will move to the alarm mode, and to do that, from the timekeeping mode, just press the mode button until you see this one, AL, meaning the alarm. And for the alarm, you can set the time by press the adjust button on the top left. Okay, and now as you can see here, the hour is flashing, and you can increase the number by pressing the start stop button. So let's say I want to set the alarm at 5:30. Oh sorry, let me press and hold. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then 5:30, so I press the mode button to move to the minute, and then press again the top right button to change the minute to 30. Okay, 7, 29, 30, yes. And then press again the mode button. Now is the month. So anyway, this is a multifunction alarm. You can also set the month and date if you need. For example, if you want to use this as a reminder for birthday, or maybe reminder for something like paying the bill or anything with specific date or specific month, you can do that. But for this video, I will only show you the basic one for the setting of the daily alarm. And for this one, if you see number here, for example this one, if you want to use the alarm as daily alarm, we need to set this number on the top one for the month to become blank. And to do that, just press this one, the start stop button, until blank. So 9, 10, 11, 12 and blank. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the date. In this video I will show you just as a daily alarm, so we will leave it blank. But anyway, if you have number here, just press this one, the start stop button, until you see blank right here. Okay, press again the mode button, and now return to the setting of the hour. Okay, if you already set the time that you need for the alarm, just press the adjust button, and now it's not flashing anymore. And you can see here on the top left is a symbol. This one is the sign that the alarm is active. And anyway, you can set which feature is active by pressing the start stop button here. So this is the hourly signal or chime, meaning that every changing of the hour you get a beep. Okay, and this is the alarm and the hourly signal or hourly chime is active, are active, sorry. And this one meaning both are not active, and this one is the alarm is active but the hourly signal or chime is not active. So whichever option that you want. But now let me just show you if I want, or if you want to activate both the alarm, the upper symbol, okay, and also the hourly signal, the lower symbol that looks like a bell. Okay, so now if you want to exit from this alarm mode, just press the mode button. We have just set the alarm for 5:30 in the morning, so let's just move on to the next item, and that is this one, the timer, the countdown timer. You can set the countdown timer length by pressing the adjust button on the top left. Okay, and here is the setting for the hour, and let's set the timer for maybe 10 minutes. And to do that, we will just keep the setting for the hour, so we will not change that one. But anyway, if you want to change the hour, just press this one, the start stop button, okay, and then press the mode button. Now is the minute. If I want to set as 10 minutes, then just press the start stop button until it change to 10, okay, and then press again the mode button, and now is the second. So let me just set this one as 0, so we get 10 minutes exact. Okay, 10 minutes, and yes, done. You can press again the mode button, and now return to this one, the hour. And anyway, for the countdown timer, it also has the feature that is called auto repeat, meaning that if the timer finished, it will repeat by itself. And to activate that, just press the light button, the bottom right, okay, and you will see this auto is showing, meaning the auto repeat is active. But if you want to deactivate, just press again the light button. Okay, and yeah, let me just show if it is active now. Okay, and if you're done with the setting of the countdown timer, just press the adjust button. Okay, and if you want to run the countdown timer, just press the start stop button on the top right, and it will start. If you want to pause or stop, of course using the same button here, so start stop button, and it is now pause. And if you want to continue, just press again, okay, and if you want to stop, press again the same button, and to reset using this one, the adjust button on the top left. Okay, and that's all for the countdown timer. And then let's move on to the next item or the next menu, and that is this one, the stopwatch. There are two usual operations for the stopwatch. First is the start stop, so just press the start stop button on the top right, okay, start, or you can also pause. You can continue again using the same button, and you can reset after stopping the stopwatch. You can reset using the adjust button. Okay, and then the other operation is using split time, so this one will start stop button, okay, and then to split, use this one, the adjust button. So while the stopwatch is running, just press the split button, and you will get this split time. And to continue, just press the split button again, and it will continue with the time that right now is running in the background. So it jumps to 18, 19 and so on. Okay, and if you want to stop, just press the start stop button, and to reset, use the adjust button. Okay, and yeah, that's all the features and also the operation in detail for this watch, Casio GMD-S5600. I hope I didn't miss any setting, and if you want to add something, just put in the comment below. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial is useful, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.